Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing how onion helps in your hair growth. So, so let's get started. Homemade onion hair oil for double hair growth. Your hair will never stop growing after you use this oil. This remedy will not only help you get rid of hair fall, dry, damaged hair, but also make hair super thick and healthy shine. I call this not as a hair oil but a powerful hair tonic. Onion, when heated, release a wider variety of compounds that are readily absorbed by the body. Onion mixed with coconut oil is a great combination for hair. It deeply conditions your hair and gives you silky, smooth, soft hair. Coconut oil. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a bowl. It helps calm aggravated scalp and treat issues such as dandruff. It helps to overcome the problem of frizzy hair and give shine to your hair. Both men and women can use this hair oil. You could use it on children at your discretion. Put the bowl on a double boiler and heat it on a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it shimmer and occasionally keep on stirring the mixture well. Let the oil take up all the goodness and nutrient of onion. Let it cool down for some time. How to use? Use these oils twice weekly and do nice hot massage and get relaxed. Leave it on 5 to 6 hours or overnight. And wash off with a herbal shampoo and condition as usual. Herbal or natural remedy take time to show that it may also vary to person to person and how fast it works. Use this remedy for 2 weeks and see the magical result. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.